Hello to all. My name is Samiksha Godalkar. I am assistant professor in SND College of Engineering, Yeola. So today's video lecture topic is function generator. Firstly, we see the introduction of function generator. A function generator is usually a piece of electronic test equipment or a software used to generate different types of electrical waveforms over a wide range of frequencies. Function generator used to generate various kind of waveform like first triangular wave, second sine wave, third square wave, fourth sawtooth wave. There are different types of waveform triangular, sine, square, sawtooth we see on a function generator. Firstly we see the triangular wave. In triangular wave, simple function generators usually generate a triangular waveform whose frequency can be controlled smoothly as well as in steps. This triangular wave is used as the basis for all of its other outputs. The triangular wave is generated by repeatedly charging and discharging a capacitor from a constant current source. This produces a linearly ascending or descending voltage ramp. As the output voltage reaches upper and lower limits, the charging and discharging is reversed using a comparator, producing the linear triangular wave. By varying the current and the size of the capacitor, different frequencies may be obtained. The integrator circuit to produce the triangular wave is as shown in figure. The resistance R, the input voltage Vin, is given to the inverting terminal of the amplifier. The resistance R, the capacitor C, is the feedback resistance connected from output to the input inverting terminal of the amplifier. The non-inverting terminal is connected to the ground. The positive voltage VCC and VEE is applied to the comparator. Op-amp procedure. In this circuit, capacitor is used as a feedback element C. The circuit connection we see in slide. As before, the negative feedback of the op-amp ensures that the inverting input will be held at 0 volts, virtual ground. If the input voltage is exactly 0 volts, there will be no current through the resistor. Therefore, no charging of the capacitor and therefore output voltage will not change. We cannot guarantee what voltage will be at output with respect to ground in this condition, but we can say that output voltage is constant. If we apply a constant positive voltage to the input, the op-amp output will not fall negative at a linear rate in attempt to produce the changing voltage across the capacitor necessary to maintain the current established by the voltage difference across a resistor. A constant negative voltage at the input result in linear rising voltage at the output. The output voltage rate of a change will be proportional to the value of the input voltage. As shown in a graph, figure shows the triangular waveform output of a function generator. In today's video lecture, we see the how function generator obtain a triangular wave. What we use in this, firstly we see the introduction of function generator. Here in this slide, this is the picture of function generator, which is used for the measuring a wide range of frequencies. After the in which frequencies or waves function generator generate triangular, sine, square, sawtooth wave. So in this video lecture we see the first wave, triangular wave, how it will be generated and how it will be produced on a graph. This is a graph of function generator produces a triangular wave. In next video lecture we see the next output of function generator. Thank you.